Welcome! Today we'll walk you through the unboxing and setup of the PT5 III monitor.
After receiving the monitor, please check if the packaging is intact and ensure all accessories are included.
The PT5 III can be powered by either an NPF battery
or through the USB 3.0 port.
When using the NPF battery for power supply, please press and hold the battery lock located at the top of the monitor and insert the NPF battery. Otherwise, the battery cannot be installed. When using USB 3.0 for power supply, ensure the voltage and current specifications are 5 volts and 2A.
Connect HDMI cable to the camera and then connect to the HDMI in on the left side of the monitor.
Turn on the switch located at the top of the monitor to power on the monitor. When powering on for the first time, the booting time will be relatively long. Please wait patiently. If your monitor isn't showing the camera image,
then check if the HDMI cable is connected to the HDMI in port of the monitor.
Also, check whether the monitor supports the resolution output by the camera. The PT5 monitor supports a maximum input of 4K at 30 frames per second and 1080p at 60 frames per second. Please change the camera's output resolution to automatic or 1080p.
If the monitor display is not full screen or the camera screen goes black, please turn off the HDMI display settings on the camera. This should restore the normal display. The resolution output from the camera's HDMI out does not affect the camera's recording and storage specifications. Adjusting the resolution is for compatibility with the output device for monitoring and does not affect the file quality.
Click on the monitor screen to bring up the menu.
If the touch screen is unresponsive, please check if the UI touch control is enabled. Click on the function. You can utilize monitor functions including peaking, zebra, false color, luma waveform, and other monitoring functions. Click on the 3D LUT to apply different LUT effects to the image. The monitor comes with built-in LUTs. You can also use a USB drive 64 GB or smaller formatted with FAT32 or FAT file system to import other LUT effects to the monitor. The import limit is 20 LUTs and the LUT file format must be in .cube. Insert the USB drive into the monitor's USB port to begin importing the LUTs.
You can check the relevant tutorial video for the import steps.
The PT5 III features a built-in color grader that allows you to adjust the overall contrast, sharpness, saturation, and hue of the image in real time. Additionally, you can individually adjust the hue, saturation, and brightness of specific colors in the image and apply color grading overlays.
This function menu is always shown at the bottom of the monitor screen, and it won't be shown the screens of other devices. So it's convenient for you to adjust the screen color in real time.
The above is basically the entire tutorial of the PT5 III.